Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is India's Russian oil imports at 6 months high in November. Now, think of oil as the fuel that runs almost everything in a country: cars, buses, factories, electricity, and even cooking gas. In November 2025, India bought a lot more oil from Russia than usual, the highest in the last 6 months. And here's what happened: India imported 7.7 million tons of oil from Russia in November. This made up about 35% of all the oil that India brought that month. And in money terms, India spent around $3.7 billion on Russian oil. Russia became India's biggest oil supplier. Now, why is this happening? See, Russian oil is cheaper because many Western countries are not buying it. India wants affordable energy to keep fuel prices under control. India follows a policy of buying from many countries, not just one particular country. Interestingly, India also increased oil imports from the US, United States, and together Russia plus USA supplied almost half of India's oil in November. So, India is choosing oil based on price and availability, not pressure from other countries. Let us look at some numbers. India's Russian oil imports rose to a 6 month high in terms of volume and value in November 2025, with its share in India's overall oil imports rising to 35%, which is the latest data. Now, this comes at a time when there has been little progress in finalizing a trade deal with US. However, India had also increased its purchase from American oil, which jumped into a 7 month high in November, accounting for nearly 13% of India's oil imports that month. Together, Russia and US accounted for nearly half of India's oil imports in November 2025. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. This topic is highly important for GS paper 2 International Relations and GS paper 3 Economy and Energy Security, and for GS paper 1 Geography, Economic Geography as well, and it is highly important for mains and prelims also. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.